Have you ever stopped to wonder why, no matter how hard we work or how smart we think we are, money still seems to slip through our fingers? Today, we're about to uncover the shocking truths that schools, society, and even well-meaning advice have kept from us. Lies that are quietly costing us thousands of dollars every single year. Sit tight, because what we're about to reveal will challenge everything you thought you knew about money. Stay with us until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening, life-changing insights. In this video, we're going to expose the 7 shocking money lies that have been quietly keeping us stuck, stressed, and struggling financially. Lies we've all been taught to believe without question. Together, we'll uncover why working harder doesn't always lead to wealth, why stability can secretly trap us, and why our salary doesn't define our true value. We'll reveal the hidden dangers of trying to succeed alone, the myths that make money feel complicated, and why waiting for the right time could cost us more than we realize. Sit tight, because by the end of this journey, you'll see money and your potential in a completely new, eye-opening way. What if everything we've been taught about money is a lie? What if the rules we've followed, the advice we've trusted, and the paths we've taken have quietly been keeping us broke? In this video, we're tearing apart the 7 most dangerous money lies that steal our freedom, our time, and our dreams. Sit tight, because what you're about to discover will shock you, change how you see money forever, and show us the path to real financial power. Money lie number 1. Your value is equal to your salary. From the moment we start working, society conditions us to believe that our worth is measured by the number on our paycheck. A low salary feels like failure. A high salary feels like success. But here's the painful truth. This belief quietly traps us, limits our dreams, and makes us tie our self-esteem to a number that says nothing about who we really are. Think about it. How many talented, creative, and hardworking people struggle every day, feeling less than, simply because their income doesn't match their effort? Meanwhile, others make far more money doing less, not because they're better, but because they understand the system and leverage it. This lie teaches us to shrink ourselves for money, to settle for jobs that drain us, and to ignore our real potential. It's more than unfair. It's emotionally destructive. But here's the eye-opening truth. Our value cannot be measured by money. Our ideas, our creativity, our ability to solve problems, to influence, to inspire, these are priceless. The moment we stop letting a paycheck define us, we start seeing opportunities, thinking bigger, and stepping into the freedom we were meant for. Sit tight, because by understanding this lie, we'll begin to see why so many of us struggle financially, even when we work hard, and how we can finally break free from this trap. Money lie number 2. Stability is safer than opportunity. From a young age, we're taught to seek safety, a steady job, a predictable routine, and a life free from risk. Play it safe, they say, and you'll be fine. It sounds comforting, even responsible, but the truth is far more shocking. Stability is often the trap that keeps us broke. Think about it. Millions of people stick to the safe path every day, never taking chances, never exploring possibilities, all in the name of security. They work the same job, earn the same salary, and live a predictable life, but silently, opportunities pass them by. Meanwhile, those willing to take calculated risks, explore new paths, and step into uncertainty are quietly building wealth, freedom, and power. This lie convinces us that comfort equals safety, but real security comes from growth, not avoidance. The longer we wait for the perfect moment to pursue opportunities, the longer we remain trapped in the illusion of safety, unaware that the greatest risks are in fact the risks we never take. By recognizing this lie, we start to see the invisible chains that have been holding us back, and we begin to understand that true financial freedom requires courage, action, and the willingness to step beyond the familiar. Sit tight, because the next lie will shake another deeply held belief about hard work and its connection to wealth, and it may change the way you see your efforts forever. Money line number 3. Hard work equals wealth. We've all been told that if we just work harder, longer, and sacrifice more, money will follow. Grind 12 hours a day, they say, and you'll succeed. It sounds motivating, even noble. But here's the harsh, gut-punching truth. Hard work alone rarely creates wealth. Look around. How many people pour their lives into endless labor, waking up early, staying late, skipping breaks, and still struggle paycheck to paycheck? Meanwhile, others seem to make more in a week with far less effort. Why? Because wealth isn't about hours or exhaustion. It's about strategy, leverage, and knowing how money works. This lie keeps us trapped in a cycle of endless effort with little reward, convincing us that if we're not wealthy yet, it must be because we're not working hard enough, when the real issue is the system itself. The painful truth is that our energy and time are valuable, and without direction, hard work alone can burn us out, while leaving us financially stagnant. Understanding this lie is the first step toward learning how to work smart, create leverage, and build wealth that lasts. Sit tight, because next we'll reveal a lie that makes us believe we must struggle alone, and it may change the way you see your efforts forever. Money line number 4. You must do it alone to succeed. Many of us have been taught that success is a lonely journey. Don't ask for help, they say. Figure it out yourself. At first, it seems empowering, a call to independence. But the shocking truth is, this lie quietly keeps us struggling longer than we need to. Think about it. Countless talented people work tirelessly, pushing alone, only to face dead ends, burnout, and frustration. Meanwhile, those who surround themselves with mentors, collaborators, and supportive networks are quietly accelerating towards success. The difference isn't luck, it's who they allow into their circle. This lie convinces us that asking for help is weakness, when in reality, isolation is the real trap. Trying to do it all alone keeps us stuck in the same cycle of stress, mistakes, and slow progress. Understanding this lie is liberating. Once we see that connection, guidance, and collaboration are powerful tools, we start to unlock doors we never thought possible, doors that lead to faster growth, smarter decisions, and real financial freedom. Sit tight, because the next money lie will shock you even more, exposing the myth that making money is somehow complicated and out of reach for ordinary people. Money lie number 5. Making money is complicated. We've all been told that making money is hard, confusing, and only for the smart or the well-connected. From a young age, society paints it as a complex puzzle, full of rules we're too inexperienced to understand. It's no wonder so many of us feel intimidated, overwhelmed, or frozen in place. But here's the shocking truth. Making money is often simpler than we've been led to believe. Complexity is a disguise, a clever way to keep ordinary people from taking action. While we overthink, others quietly take small, consistent steps that build real wealth over time. This lie convinces us to wait, overanalyze, and believe we're not capable. Meanwhile, the doors to opportunity are open, waiting for the bold and the willing. The moment we see through the illusion of complexity, we realize that wealth is a game of understanding the simple rules and taking action. Sit tight, because the next part will challenge the lie that tells us to wait for the right time, and it could change the way you think about starting your financial journey forever. Money line number 6. You must wait for the right time. We've all heard it. Wait until you're ready. Wait until you have more money. Wait until things are perfect. At first it sounds wise, a way to avoid mistakes. But the harsh, uncomfortable truth is, there is no perfect moment. Waiting quietly steals years from our lives, silently keeping us stuck while opportunities pass by. Think about it. How many dreams have been postponed, and postponed again, only to fade into regrets later? The right time rarely arrives. Fear disguises itself as patience, convincing us to stay small, stay safe, and stay silent. This lie traps us in inaction, convincing us that preparation alone equals progress, but without action, preparation is meaningless. Real change, real growth, and real wealth begin the moment we take the first step, even if everything isn't perfect. Understanding this lie is liberating. Once we see that time lost waiting is more costly than risk, we realize that starting now, even imperfectly, is the only way to escape the cycle of stagnation and frustration. Sit tight because the final money lie will challenge the deepest beliefs we hold about money, identity, and the way we see ourselves, and it will tie everything together in a way that could transform our financial future. Money lie number 7. Wealth is about money, not identity. We've been conditioned to believe that wealth is purely about numbers, a bank balance, a paycheck, or an investment portfolio. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Wealth begins in the mind, in who we believe we are. Many of us sabotage our finances without realizing it. We make poor money decisions, avoid opportunities, and even ignore our potential, not because we lack knowledge, but because deep down, we don't see ourselves as the type of person who can be wealthy. Think about it. How many people earn opportunities they never feel worthy of? How many leave money on the table because they don't identify with abundance? This lie convinces us that external fixes, more money, more education, better circumstances, alone will change our lives. But real transformation begins inside, when we change our identity, our beliefs, and the story we tell ourselves about money. Breaking this lie is revolutionary. Once we understand that who we are determines what we can achieve, every financial rule, strategy, and opportunity becomes accessible. Wealth isn't just about money, it's about the person we choose to become. Sit tight because now that we've uncovered all 7 lies, the final truths will show us how to take control, break free from these traps, and finally step into the financial freedom we deserve. Breaking free and taking control. Now that we've uncovered the 7 money lies holding us back, it's time to take control. The first step is awareness, recognizing the lies we've been told and understanding how they've shaped our decisions, fears, and habits. Awareness gives us power. Next comes action. Small, consistent steps matter more than grand gestures. Start by questioning every belief about money. Does it serve you, or is it keeping you stuck? Build new habits, invest in learning, seek mentors, explore opportunities, and surround yourself with people who uplift and challenge you. Finally, embrace a wealthy identity. See yourself as someone capable of creating, growing, and managing money wisely. Your mindset shapes your reality. Your financial freedom begins the moment you decide you are worthy of it. Remember, breaking free isn't instant, it's a journey. But each step you take today brings you closer to a life where money no longer controls you, where you control money, your choices, and your future. So let's take this journey together. Stay consistent, stay curious, and most importantly, believe in your ability to create the freedom you deserve. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights that can continue to keep you ahead on this path. We're within reach. Now that we see the truth, the choice is ours. To stay trapped in old beliefs or to take control, think differently, and step into the financial freedom we truly deserve. Thank you for staying with us through this journey. We'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or revelations. Feel free to share them in the comments below. And if this video opened your eyes or inspired you in any way, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more captivating revelations that can transform the way we think about money and success. Remember, change begins the moment we choose to see the truth and act on it.